Today, I got to share in the classroom. The topic today was how to really discover who you are. Sometimes we go through crisis like age, or go through a divorce, or a spouse passes away, or your children leave the house. There's so many different reasons to reinvent yourself, really. And so I gave you some tips today on what to do to learn about yourself, and some of the ways that we sabotage ourselves. Some of the ways that we say, oh, I'm not going to listen to you, and this is why, because I'm right about conspiracy theorists, or I'm right about New Agers, or I'm right about whatever it is that you're right about. But today I'm challenging you. I'm challenging you to, if you're feeling uncomfortable about anything that I discussed in the classroom today, to sit with it and also write about it, journal about it. It's so important that we journal our thoughts, because when you just open yourself to receive downloads from your creator, and I talk about what is a download from a creator and what is not a download from the creator. If it starts with, you stupid idiot, that is not a download from your creative. But if it starts with, my dear child, I love you, love you, love you, that would be just the start. I'm just thinking how God would speak to me and how God does speak to me. Everybody has that capability. And when Jesus breathed into the nostrils of the disciples, he said, you will do this and more. So what's the this, what's the more? So we talked about that today. And we have two giveaways. Well, tomorrow we have Dr. Lorraine Day in the classroom, and Isla Hall donated one DVD as a gift for someone who would like this. Now, if you're from out of the country, you must pay for the shipping. But if you're in the United States, there's no need to pay for shipping. It's all included in there. So this donation will be, so you text me at 407-373-5959, or you can email me at lily@whenyouneedafriend.com if you are from out of the country. So you may not be able to text me, but tomorrow is the deadline. So if you haven't done it already, you need to text me at 407-373-5959 or email me at lily@whenyouneedafriend.com. So that's the first giveaway. The second giveaway is the emotion code. The emotion code is coming live with Dr. Bradley Nelson, the creator or co-creator, because he says he co-created this with God. So God gave him that information, and God allowed him to use this with his patients. And now he took it to the world and created the book, or wrote the book, The Emotion Code, which I don't have with me right now. It's right over there. I can see it, but I did not bring it with me. But anyway, we're giving away one seat for the live conference or the live workshop. It's a one-day workshop in beautiful Florida. So if you live anywhere in Florida or anywhere near Florida and you want to drive to Florida or fly to Florida, we have people flying from all over to come to this workshop. So I talked about what this workshop is about and what it is not about. And so I want to encourage you that if you want to be a winner of that one seat, that lucky winner of that one seat, and come to Florida, and you have to be able to come to Florida to attend, here is what you need to do. Every day for the next 6 days, Brooke is going to post an emotion code or the emotion code graphic. And on there, you get to share, you get to tag, you get to, and you like it, of course, like, share, tag. So the more you tag, your name will be placed in the winner's basket. And on the 12th, which is October 12th, 6 days, or we're going to allow to Monday. And then on the 6th day, which is the 12th, maybe that's the 7th day, sorry, the 7th day, we will draw the name. So you will have until that moment to get to tag or whatever. And so once you do that, just let us know. If you've shared more than once and we have no access to figure out how you've shared, you just let us know that you did this or did that. Just let us know. You know, it's just easy to do. You could put in the comment section. Brooke is going to be monitoring all of that, and she's going to watch you like a hawk, and she will have those names down there. And I am just hoping that if this is something you've wanted to do and just didn't have the financial support to do it, that this will be an opportunity for you to be a part of this event. So you know what to do. So go to whenyounneedafriend.com, check out the conversation today or the sharing of today so that you can learn a little bit more how you can win either the DVD. Yep, the DVD. And that would be tomorrow is the giveaway. So you will have 24 hours because at the end of the class, that's when we'll draw the name. And then, or maybe we'll draw it at the Teacher's Pet Corner. We'll do that, Teacher's Pet Corner. And then on the 6th of November, we will draw the seat for you. But make sure you like, share, and tag. And the more you tag, the more you share, your name will go into the winner's basket. You know what to do. This is a way to help grow the classroom and learn different ways, different tools, whether it's the Word of God or it is working on yourself by cleansing yourself from past traumas or emotional baggage. Then figure out different ways that you can make it happen. So we're giving you an opportunity for those two little things to do so that you too can use these tools. And please remember, I'll be right here waiting for you. I hope you win. Worldwide at whenyounneedafriend.com. This is Lillian McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah!